Are you tired of YouTube automatically setting your video quality to 480p? In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to disable auto video quality on YouTube and permanently set your desired resolution. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile app and then make sure you are signed into your YouTube account. After that, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen and then tap Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap where it says Video Quality Preferences. And now you have the ability to select your default streaming quality for all videos. As you can see, there are two different options, both of which are set to auto, which means, depending on how strong your internet speed is, it will automatically set the resolution. But most of the time this only sets it to 480p even if you have fast and reliable internet speeds. So in order to set a default streaming quality for videos, just tap where it says on mobile networks, and then change this from auto to higher picture quality. One thing to keep in mind is that this setting will use more data, so if you are on a limited data plan or want to save data, this option might not be viable for you. After that, under Quality on Wi-Fi, also change this to higher picture quality. And now, whether you are using mobile data or Wi-Fi, YouTube will only stream videos in high definition. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.